Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Neo 3 GT, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find the option security and privacy. Then let's scroll and find device unlock and tap on fingerprint and face unlock. So first of all, we have to enter our screen lock if you've got one, in order to confirm everything. And if you do not have the screen lock, your device will ask you to enter it, set it right now, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the pattern pin or password. So let's simply do it, and let's choose fingerprint. Here we've got the privacy data, so just tap on done. Obviously you can read it, and you should. But let me just tap on register. Here we've got the tip, because if you're using the sticker, the screen protector, it might affect the fingerprint sensor. So my tip is to first of all apply the screen protector, and after that try to add the fingerprint, not the other way around. So tap on OK, and here we've got our fingerprint sensor. So let me put my finger, and now we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition. Your device will of course remind you if you're using the same area twice. So just read the instructions and tap on OK to confirm. So as you can see here, we've got our fingerprint section. We can add up to 5 different fingerprints. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it, add another fingerprint, and confirm a fingerprint. So basically, if you've got a lot of fingerprints, you can check which one is which. They will be highlighted. Here we've got also the functions, so we can decide for what we would like to use our fingerprint for. So unlock device, access and control apps, access private space, and a simple touch. Fingerprint animation, so if you are the person who likes to customize, you can do it here. Just tap on the option and tap on apply, and you can decide whether you want to show the fingerprint icon when the screen is off. Alright, so let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and our device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.